Every day more, we see the people around us getting sick, and the causes of this tell a lot about our lifestyle. We live in a toxic environment where the foods, the air, and even the water can be contaminated. This, without any doubt, can be the cause of serious diseases. Did you know that all this toxicity overloads our livers? You probably don't even remember that it exists, but the liver is one of the most complex organs of our body and deserves a lot of care. After all, it works as a filter and has more than 500 functions. One of them is eliminating toxic things from the body. So when the liver doesn't work well, nothing else in our body does. It is necessary to learn how to choose our foods so we can give the liver more energy and reduce some of its load when we exaggerate the consumption of fatty foods, alcohol, and toxic foods. Thinking about it, we brought you a recipe that can help you eliminate fat in the liver. You will need 1 apple, juice of 1 lemon, 10 ounces water. Directions: thoroughly wash the apple, then slice it without peeling. Put the apple slices in a blender, then add the lemon juice and water and blend. Drink the juice after your dinner or before going to bed. If you have diabetes, it is best to drink this juice in the morning. Drink this juice for 3 months to get all these benefits and see the difference in your blood test. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Besides adding this juice to your daily routine to detox your body and cleanse your liver, you should also avoid smoking and alcohol in excess. Stay away from drugs, exercise regularly, and avoid consuming sugar and fructose. Also, try to sleep before 11 p.m. Do you know why it is important to be asleep before 11 p.m.? It is from 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. that your gallbladder and liver work to do the organic cleansing of tissues, process the cholesterol, and improve brain function. In this period, your body reaches its maximum capacity of detox and blood cleanse. So it is important to be already asleep so your body can concentrate on eliminating toxins. When these actions don't happen the way they should, the liver can't execute its function correctly, which causes anxiety and stress. If you have liver issues, try this recipe and follow these tips to regenerate your liver and have a better quality of life. Try it and share your opinions with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.